Hello all, BLM2 ICAM4 and International Joint E-Conference Abstract Presentation. I am Piyumi Salam from Department of Industrial Management, University of Kalinga, Sri Lanka. So my research topic is technological solutions offered by Industry 4.0 to improve the productivity of apparel sector during COVID-19 pandemic, a dynamic capabilities view. So now let's focus about the background of this research. Now we are going to consider about Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the digital transformation of manufacturing, production and related industries and value creation processes. And also cyber physical systems form the basis of Industry 4.0. The cyber physical systems include with smart machines and production facilities which are capable of autonomously exchanging information, triggering actions and controlling each other. The capabilities they offer are the enablers of smart factories. So these are the some technologies of Industry 4.0 like industrial Internet of Things, automation, artificial intelligence, big data and analytics, cloud computing and simulations. So now we are going to focus about the impact of COVID-19 on apparel industry. So COVID-19 pandemic is having a significant impact of global garment supply chain, and also apparel industry got affected by COVID-19 due to health issues of employees, lack of raw materials and sudden reduction of demand. So when we consider about the significance of this research, the Sri Lankan apparel industry contributes to the half of the country's export, and also during the COVID-19 pandemic, this affected much on Sri Lankan apparel industry in different ways. And also, when we consider about the situation prevailing now, most of the developing countries are adapting new technological solutions and Industry 4.0 concepts to improve the sustainability and also the productivity of the apparel sector. This is the research question we are going to address throughout this research. Our research question is, how do technological solutions help to increase the productivity of an apparel sector firm during a pandemic situation? So the objective of this research is to identify the solutions Industry 4.0 offers to improve the productivity of apparel sector firms during the pandemic. So this research carried out with the lens of dynamic capabilities views. The opportunities and threats can be sensed and shaped by the dynamic capabilities, while seizing opportunities and maintain competitiveness. And also dynamic capabilities enable the firms to upgrade their capabilities towards the highway of ventures. So now let's focus about the literature review. The literature done by Navreet and other authors in 2021 says that the impact of COVID-19 on industrial trade and the global value chain is massive. The global apparel value chain is massively disrupted by the pandemic due to the health issues that occurred in the employees' lack of raw materials and sudden reduction of demand with the demand from the high-income countries. The apparel industry of developing countries got affected due to the profits, wages, job security, and job safety. The findings of the study conducted by Bolano in 2020, considering the impact of COVID-19 on apparel industry, show that all the organizations in the apparel sector should find proper strategies considering short-term, medium-term, and long-term to face the pandemic situations like COVID-19. When we consider about the literature related to dynamic capabilities, one by Tees in 2018 says that dynamic capabilities can also enable the firms to upgrade their capabilities toward highway of ventures. To achieve a competitive advantage, firm must be able to sense and seize opportunities continuously. The firm with strong dynamic capabilities have the ability to build and renew resources to respond to the changes in the market. And also, when another theory we are going to use in this research is resource-based view. A paper by Barney in 1991 says that firms can gain sustainable competitive advantage by introducing strategies to utilize internal strengths, responding to the external opportunities, and reducing external threats and avoiding internal weaknesses. So this is the conceptual framework we propose based on the literature review we have gone through. And in here we have three independent variables as searching for technological solutions, evaluating technological solutions, and implementing technological solutions. According to the dynamic capabilities views, the opportunities can be sensed, shaped, and seized. So we came up with these three independent variables based on that view. And also we have two moderators as availability of Industry 4.0 in technological infrastructure and the turbulence associated with health pandemic. So our final dependent variable is the dependent variable is the improved productivity. So this is the end of the presentation. Thank you so much.